Mahalagang paalala, ang asawa ng iba ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting pangkamot sa anumang uri ng kati.
Hi Bal, happy birthday.
Oh my God! Wow!
Sana marami pang blessing ipagkalob sa si God.
Sana all.
Deserve it dahil napakabuti mong tao, kaibigan. Ingat ka dyan palagi, huwag pabayaan ng sarili, tuloy lang sa laban ng buhay. Enjoy your birthday. I love you much. Happy birthday.
To my Sisi, sa time nga nagkaila ta hangtod karon, salamat kaayo sa imo ang support emotionally, imo ang presence nga na sa ako ang life. Nga bisan pa na ako sa pinaka down na amo para mo cheer up, naamo tanan sa commanders para mo cheer up o mohatag sa ako og emotional support sa mga ups and downs sa akong kinabuhi. Salamat for always being there, and salamat sa joyous years nga atong panag-uban. In your birthday, I wish that you may receive all the wishes sa imo ang heart. I hope that you may have a joyous and wonderful day today, and we're always here for you. You will always be the number one angge in Commander's family. Naarami pa, sige, if you need someone to talk to, naara ang Commanders, naara si Maxi, naara ko, maminaw sa imo ha. And we'll be together forever. Charles. Bitaw Sisi. We love you, and I pray for the best sa imo ang life. Nga sana tani ma-achieve nimo tanan nimo mga desires sa imong kinabuhi. And once again, happy birthday, and we love you. Eliana love you. She loves her ninang, and God bless all.
Hi madam, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And good health. At sana'y malasing mo kami.
Happy birthday. Tagalog na yung lawas sa Ginoo. Dahil nga kinabuhi, and more birthdays to come. Salamat sa pag-care sa Commander family. Happy birthday. Hindi na po magbilangga, kabalo na isa kuha.
Hello, good morning.
Sana all!
Hello, Commanders. I would like to greet a happy birthday to our head founder, Langka. May you have the greatest life. Move on na sa mga exes. Kung excesses yun, by the way, happy birthday. Have a blessed birthday. Keep up the good work and see you soon. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, man. Stay at more birthday to come.
Dumating na po ang bagong Pilipinas.
Happy birthday, Mami. Stay healthy. More birthday to come. I love you.
Hi, Ate Langga. Happy birthday. Wishing you're always good health and more birthday to come. And stay strong and stay safe palagi po dyan. Salamat po dahil napakabait mo po sa aming lahat nga mga Commander family. Thank you po. Noon pa man at ngayon, napaka-supportive mo na head founder po sa amin. Thank you po. And God bless always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Langga. Gold health. More birthday to come and more candles to blow. See you soon, Ate Langga.
Happy birthday to our favorite mom that always protects us whatever happens. Thank you for being our side and thank you for what you gave things to us. We love you so much and we miss you so much. Stay healthy and be beautiful always and go home safety. I miss you and I always love you.
Sana all.
Happy birthday, Langga. Wish you all the best. Stay pretty, sexy, tamsi, tambok na sexy. Stay in good health. I wish you all the best. I'm hoping na magkita tapon. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Loves. Kasi mababawasan yung ganda mo. Charot.
Oh my God! Wow!
Happy birthday. I love you, Mami Loves.